Welcome to Sound Unlimited for all things newsy, juicy, sporty, tasty, and more.
Ndimchazele ke kodwa wabe esithi uzawuthetha naye ucourt manager ngoba uyabona uba ndiyakhala.
I informed him. He then mentioned to me that he will have a word with the court manager as he could observe that I am crying.
Who is Selby Mbenenge? Judge President Selby Mbenenge was born in Egcuwa, Butterworth, in the former Transkei area of the Eastern Cape in March 1961. He matriculated from the prestigious St. John College in Mthatha and later obtained a B. Juris and LLB law degrees from the University of Transkei, UNITRA, now Walter Sisulu University. He was a regional court prosecutor and then appointed as a state law advisor in 1987. From 1988 to 1989, he was a law lecturer at UNITRA, but later returned to the State Laws Advisor's Office until 1990. Mbenenge completed his pupillage at the Johannesburg Bar and passed the bar exam in December 1992.
I did when I was in Mthatha, purely by way of testing the setup or the system. I did avail myself to do unopposed applications all by myself. They range between 90 and 120. And my experience is that it is possible for a judge to handle that number of files.
He briefly returned to the State Laws Advisor's Office before joining the Transkei Bar in Mthatha from 1993 until his elevation to the bench in 2015. He was awarded Silk Senior Counsel status in 2005. Before his permanent appointment as a judge, Mbenenge held various stints as an acting judge in the Labour Court in Grahamstown, Durban, Transkei. He has acted in several high-profile cases, including chairing the disciplinary hearing of senior prosecutor Glenys Breitenberg in 2012. In 2011, he represented Constitutional Court Justices Bess Nkabinde and Chris Jafta at the Judicial Service Commission's proceedings regarding the allegations that Western Cape Judge President John Hlophe had attempted to improperly influence both judges. Not long after his permanent appointment as a judge in 2015, Mbenenge was elevated to the position of Judge President of the Eastern Cape High Court from November 2017. Mbenenge is highly regarded as a senior lawyer. As Judge President, he is credited with transforming the Eastern Cape High Court division through unifying the disparate seats and attracting some of South Africa's finest legal minds to serve as judges of that court. He is currently the second most senior Judge President and sixth most senior judge in judicial leadership in South Africa.
It's about time for the coming of Christ your King.